Welcome to Brain Teasers and Coffee Beans. Get ready to put your culinary knowledge to the test with our ultimate cooking quiz. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. What is the traditional French soup made with fish broth and vegetables? Bouillabaisse. Which country is the origin of the dish borscht? Ukraine? What is the main ingredient in the traditional Japanese dish natto? Fermented soybeans. In which country did the Caesar salad originate? Mexico. What is the name of the technique used in Scandinavia for preserving fish by fermenting it in a sealed container? Lutefisk. From which region does the ingredient harissa, a hot chili paste, primarily originate? North Africa. Pho is a traditional soup from which Southeast Asian country? Vietnam. Which chef is known for popularizing French cuisine in America with the show The French Chef? Julia Child. What is the traditional Mexican breakfast consisting of corn tortillas dipped in a spicy tomato sauce? Chilaquiles. What is the reverse searing technique? Cooking meat slowly at low temperature, then searing it at high temperature. The dessert baklava is most closely associated with which country? Turkey. What is the name of the French dish made of snails cooked in garlic butter? Escargot. What is the national dish of Thailand, consisting of rice noodles, meat, and vegetables? Pad Thai. What is the main ingredient in the traditional British dish, black pudding? Pig's blood. Which type of tea is fermented and known for its probiotic benefits? Kombucha. What is the primary ingredient in the Middle Eastern dish, tabbouleh? Bulgur wheat. Which country is the primary producer of saffron, the world's most expensive spice? Iran. The traditional dish, goulash, is from which country? Hungary. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits in Southeast Asia? Durian. Who is the chef and author known for his book Kitchen Confidential? Anthony Bourdain. What is the main ingredient in traditional Greek tzatziki sauce? Cucumbers. What is the traditional Scottish dish made from sheep's heart, liver, and lungs? Haggis. Which country is known for the dish feijoada? Brazil. What is the primary ingredient in hummus? Chickpeas. Which type of pasta is shaped like small rice grains and often used in soups? Orzo. Which ingredient is traditionally used to color and flavor Indian dishes like biryani and tandoori? Turmeric. Who was the first American chef to be awarded 3 Michelin stars? Thomas Keller. Which spice, native to Madagascar, is known for its intense flavor and is a key ingredient in many luxury desserts? Bourbon vanilla. What traditional Japanese cooking technique involves cooking food on a grill or hot plate, often at the table? Teppanyaki. Which Indian dish is a creamy lentil soup? Dal. Which renowned chef is associated with the restaurant El Bulli and is known for pioneering molecular gastronomy? Ferran Adrià. What is the main ingredient in the Italian dessert panna cotta? Cream. Tagine is a stew named after the pot it is cooked in. Which country is it from? Morocco. What cooking technique involves immersing food in a water bath and cooking it at a precise, consistent temperature? Sous vide. What is the primary ingredient in the Middle Eastern dish baba ganoush? Eggplant. What is the main ingredient in the Middle Eastern spice blend za'atar? Thyme. Who is the chef famous for his molecular gastronomy techniques and the restaurant The Fat Duck? Heston Blumenthal. What is the key ingredient in a traditional beurre blanc sauce in French cuisine? Butter. Which condiment is made from ground sesame seeds and is often used in Middle Eastern cuisine? Tahini. Which French chef is known for the concept of nouvelle cuisine and revolutionized modern cooking? Paul Bocuse. Subscribe and share your results in the comments. What is the name of the rare spice derived from the dried fruit of the pimenta dioica plant, also known as Jamaica pepper? Allspice.